library right now. I'm officially done. This brush, its bristles is so hard. Like damn. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm currently getting ready for school. Then I have work after. My work clothes is so wrinkly, but I'm just gonna wear it like that to work. I was gonna iron it, but one, I'm already late, and two, the iron is like in my suitcase, and I don't feel like I want to go do scavenger hunt to go find where I put it. Also, we got home from camp yesterday peacefully, thank God. We got home, or by the time that I got home, it was 8:20. I didn't unpack my suitcase. Like, it's still right there. Like, my suitcase is still right there. Yeah, right here. I haven't unpacked it. My sister already unpacked hers like that, but I just took some things that I need out of it, like my pillow and my skincare stuff. I am going to unpack my suitcase, but it's gonna be Thursday. The reason why I'm saying Thursday is that Thursday is my final exam for my summer class, so right now I don't have extra time to spare to empty out my suitcase and like wash my clothes and stuff like that. Also, since last week, pretty much the whole week I was at camp, I barely studied for my class exams. I have 3 days. I only have 3 days to study for my final exam, so it's not that much of like time. So I don't want to be doing something else while I can just wait on that thing. That's why I'm not gonna empty out my suitcase until Thursday afternoon. Okay. Where's my phone? Okay, I'm leaving for school. See you guys when I come home. Bye. So cold in here.
No triangle is 0, so there's a rectangle stays the same. And as it moves through, here's kind of moving out, where the rectangle is here. The triangle is now half outside the rectangle.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just got done with my morning lecture and I have nothing for the rest of the day. I don't have work, which is great because now I can start studying for my final exam, which is in 2 days. So it's currently 10:09. I'm gonna study one chapter for 1 hour, then at 11 I'll go and get some lunch meal And yeah.
Get out of bed. So this one was my favorite online.
I took my hair out of the bun because my head was hurting. Anyways, I'm gonna continue studying. I have 2 more topics to go, so yeah. That was wonderful. Okay guys, I'm at the library right now. I got Chipotle, it's right here. But I'm actually not gonna eat it because I don't know. I think the girl put a lot of beans on it. So I'm gonna take it home. I took like 2 bites and I stopped eating it. So I'm gonna take it home and take some beans out of it. And I think she put extra cheese on it. So I'm gonna take that one off of it too. It's currently 5:24. I'm gonna continue studying. They close at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna leave here at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Oh, I saw this book. It's called Self-Confidence and Philosophy. I really love philosophy books. I think they're really good. Like, I already have taken books out of this library, so I don't think they can let me take another book without returning the other one. Plus, if I take this book, I'm not gonna read it until next week when I'm fully done with my studying. So I think I'm gonna wait on that and get it when I'm ready. Hi guys, good morning. I just took a shower and I put on my outfit for work. Oh, and I got stain. It's a pen, and I think I have another one on my hand. I think so. Oh yeah, right here.
I am stuck in my car. I cannot go inside because it's raining really heavy and I forgot my umbrella at home. Now I'm stuck in my car and I cannot go inside. So I'm just gonna wait and see.
But not as fast as it would be. And train moving, what is the following equation? Observer as the train approaches. So train approaches, the
I'm hoping there is no traffic on the road. Hopefully, because I want to get there on time. I am officially done with my summer classes. I'm done with physics 2. Bye. Like, yeah. Well, I'm officially done with my summer classes, and like unofficially I'm not done because I have homework due, which I'm gonna get it done today. But anyways, I am done. The exam was great, but oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what happened. I'm done with my exam, but there is 2 things on there which I'm not sure. Like, I'm a little, like, I'm not sure if this is right. So I asked the TA that these 2 angles is like 2 different images, right? I'm like, on this angle 1, I got 47.3, but on that same like diagram here, it says that angle 3 is 43.2. Like, I'm a little confused. Is that how it's supposed to be like? And he was like, those 2 are 2 separate things, so you're good. Okay, I'm like, okay. But then what's it called? He was like, on this angle, is that your final answer? And I'm like, yeah. And I was like, yeah, that's my final answer. And he was like, do you mind calculating it again, because that answer is not right? So I put it into the calculator again, and it comes out at the answer I have on my page, which is 29.3, I think. And he was like, do you have it in radius by any chance? And I'm like, no, it's not, it's in degrees. So I calculated again in radius, which came out to like negative 0 point something, which is obviously wrong. Then I did it again in degrees, and it came out to be 29.3, I think. and he was like, I don't know what is wrong with your calculator, but that answer is wrong. The right answer is 69. 69? Like, I got 29. And he was like, you got everything right. I think it's something with your calculator, and that answer is wrong. So I just erased my answer, of course, and I wrote down the answer that he said. But from him saying that, I'm kind of like worried about the rest of my answers that I have on there. Like, is it right, or is my calculator giving me out wrong answers? So at this point, I do not know, because that wasn't like the only angle that it was on the question. It was like other angles. So now I do not know if the ones I have on there have the right answer. I got Chick-fil-A. I know I'm eating a lot of fast food this week. But I just anyways, today I got a large sweet tea instead of like a medium, and look at the size of this drink. I didn't know, like, I legit had no idea that their large cup is that big. When I grabbed it, I just couldn't stop laughing. Like, I wanted more sweet tea because I don't have any drink with me today. But this cup is huge. Like, damn. I'm done with my homework, so we can officially say I'm done with my summer classes. I'm done with school. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm excited. Like, I don't know, I think I'm excited that I'm done. I thank God so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and get some sleep, and then yeah, pretty much enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I am gonna end my summer classes here. Bye guys.